PlanetTogether, windows that display specific types of information are called views. Views can be opened, hidden, or floated depending on user preference. To display a view, click the Views drop-down menu in the upper right above the ribbon and select the desired view. When more than one view is open, tabs are created on the bottom left. Opening more views from the drop-down list will create more tabs. Tabs can be dragged left or right to change the order. To hide a view, right-click on its tab and select Hide. You can also click the X on the right side of the view header to hide the view. To float a view, right-click on the View tab and select Float. The size of the undocked view can be adjusted. Click and drag the header to reposition the view. To dock the view, double-click on the view header.